Hi YouTube, what's up? My name is Eddie and I'm living in the Philippines. Today I have 5 interesting highly paid online jobs for you all my Filipino guys and other nations that can help you how to make money online. But before we get into that, if it's your first time to see my video, make sure to subscribe to my channel because every day I'm uploading new content about online jobs. And please watch my online job playlist because there you can find some free apps, free websites and many other online jobs that can help you how to make money online. So I don't want to waste your time and let's go back to my computer and I will show you these 5 amazing online jobs.
Okay my friend, let's get into this video about 5 highly paid online jobs and I hope to help you make some money. First website and company I'm about to share with you is called iWriter, and of course it's free. All you're gonna do in iWriter is writing content. You write articles for them and you can earn up to $80 for only 500 words. At the beginning, maybe you are not making that much, but don't worry. You can work your way up and get paid better. Just don't get disappointed and try. After a few times, you will be better. I promise you. And here is something interesting. If you want to write your content faster, if your typing is slow, there is a way. Don't worry. You can go to Google Docs and use the voice recognition software. Then you can just speak your words. Then it will type your words for you. You can do it a lot faster with this strategy. So you can click here in become an iWriter today and start earning some money online, guys. Okay, the next website I have for you, the second one. If you don't want to write, there is a company, it's called Sitel, and they are hiring tech support. And if you like to do tech support, you can come to this website, and you may need a little skill for here, just a little, in order to make it work. That's it. Don't worry. And this can be a great opportunity for you guys to make $20 to $30 per hour. You can also work with a company like Apple. So if this is something you're interested in, they are hiring now, guys. Okay, the third website I have for you is a company called Mic Mounted. This website right here is pay you for doing internet research, actually using Google to do research things, and that's all they want you to do. So you can make $20 for every 100 things you search online. And believe me, as you know, it don't take long time to search something. It will just take few seconds or a minute at max, just a minute for you to just type something there in Google and search it, and it will pop up. So you can make great money in this website. And here is another site that's similar to it, and it's called Ask Wonder. And you can sign up and get started, guys. Okay, the fourth website is called Upwork, and the reason I show you this website, there is ton of different jobs here you can do, but I want you to check for chat moderator job. And in this job you will manage people's social media, like the comment, or you can manage form or whatever they want you to do. And that's all. That's it. That's all you're gonna do. And it's so simple, just doing something what they don't want to spend time for. That's it. So simple. For some lazies, you will do the job for them. That's it. The fifth and the last job I have for you today is called WordPress. And believe me, guys, you get paid really good money for building WordPress site for people, and that's all you're gonna do. And you can easily learn about it in YouTube so fast, and this is not really hard to do. Then you can also go to Upwork and sell your services, and I'm talking about $20 or $30 per hour. And when you are good in doing this, you can make 40, 50, 60 dollars per hour. It's so simple, just by building WordPress site for people. If you are interested on doing this kind of the job, let me know in the comment section below, so I will teach you how to do that, how to build WordPress sites. Once again guys, don't forget subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please share with your friend in social media. I hope my video was helpful. Thank you for your time, and as always, never give up.